Speed of a boat in standing water is 9 kilometers per hour and the speed of the stream is 1.5 kilometers per hour. A man rows to a place at a distance of 105 kilometers and comes back to the starting point. The total time taken by him is. Now, this is a question based on boats and streams. So, generally, we assume A as the speed of the swimmer or the ship in still water, B is the speed of the water body, and therefore upstream speed becomes A minus B and downstream speed becomes A plus B. Now let's find out the relevant data from this particular question. So speed of the boat in standing water. Standing water is nothing but still water. So still water is A. So it is given to us as 9. So we have A is equal to 9. And the speed of the stream. Stream is nothing but the water body. So therefore B is equal to 1.5. A man rows to a place at a distance of 105 kilometers and comes back to the starting point. The total time taken by him is. Now, when a person is traveling in a water body, the logic is very simple. If while going it is downstream, while returning back, it will be upstream. It could be vice versa as well. If while going it is upstream, then while returning it will be downstream. So let's consider that while going it is downstream. So while going the speed will be A plus B. So 9 plus 1.5. That will be 10.5. And while returning it will be 9 minus 1.5. That is 7.5. So upstream speed in this particular question will be 7.5, downstream speed will be 10.5. We want to find out the total time taken by him. Now we know the general formula for time. Time is distance upon speed. So total time, that means the time to go downstream. So in that case, the distance will be 105 kilometers. And the speed will be downstream speed, that is 10.5. Plus, now while returning the distance again will be 105, but the speed will be 7.5. So this is what we want to find out. So 105 upon 10.5, that gives us 10. Now, if you are facing difficulty in calculating with a decimal point, you can multiply both numerator and denominator by 10 because after the decimal there is one digit. So the decimal point gets eliminated here and you have to put a 0 in the numerator. Similar thing you can do it over here. I'll add a 0 above and in the denominator the decimal point gets eliminated. Now 1050 upon 105 is very simple. It is 10. 1050 divided by 75. Let's do it. We can see that it's in the table of 15. So this is 15 fives are. This is 15 sevens are 105 and one more 0. So 70 upon 5, we have 14. So 10 plus 14 becomes our answer. That is 24. So answer will be option D.